Epstein with your morning flash update, and this flash update is for Friday, and we're at the 4th of March, 2022, 8:35 a.m. Central Time. I am not going to be here all of next week. I'm taking 5 days to myself. I'll be out of Chicago, enjoying warm weather out west, and then I'll be back. So I fly back Sunday, not this Sunday, a week from Sunday. Everything gets back to normal starting Sunday night and then into Monday morning. So I'll just be gone 5 days. During that time, I will not be putting out these broadcasts. We'll put up something so that you miss me, and then I'll be right back. Okay. So what we had today come out just now was the non-farm payrolls. Stellar numbers. You drove unemployment to 3.8%. You added almost 50% more jobs than what was expected. And they're coming from the private sector payroll, the average hourly earnings not jumping dramatically. I think we've seen the rate surge take place. I want to tell you. I think you're taking jobs at the numbers that you've been offered, or that's it. So always look for that to see where the plateaus start hitting. I think you're there. So your peak's there, and now I think you're going to plateau right where you're at. And you see that when you went up on average hourly earnings up a penny. So you've taken everything up into the 30s, and I think now you're going to sit there, and it keeps inflation in the economy, but it's not running away, and I think that's going to be what's important. Overnight, I'm sure you saw that by now that Russia has attacked, first time in history, a nuclear plant. And watch the videos, don't count on me. Nancy Pelosi has now joined the ranks of calling for a ban on Russian oil. The president is fighting it. There's something wrong with Joe. He's so out of tune with everything. His own party's starting to turn on him. That's a bad sign for him in the midterms as you go there. And then we have to look at what else is going on through here. And the problem is there's going to be a groundswell, and everything's going to be anti-Russian, as you can imagine. But when we trade in the futures, you're up the limit again in the wheat market. The corn market was just up to 782. It's going to be all over the board here. It's being pulled along because wheat is it's nonstop. If you get my full research report, and I've offered it free to you in the past on my free offerings, I did one last night on wheat out of Ukraine, corn out of Ukraine, the importance, where it's at, and it's a lengthy report. You might want one of my brokers to send it to you. In the bonds and notes, just take a look. This market's building in war premium. I know that doesn't look like it to most people. That's what that is. That is the fear that we're going to go further than you think on things. That keeps the gold well bid. This is the euro. Look at how it cracked the 110 level. You went to 108.87. Did I not say 110 to you here is in the realm of where they're going? Gold up $25. So the fact that you're attacking nuclear plants, maybe that's going to get NATO's attention because you hit one. What does that do for the whole surrounding area? That's what you got to be careful of. Now, I'm fairly trading these markets aggressively right now, and the reason is I've moved away from the mini contracts. I'm in the micro contracts. So instead of putting up $12,000 margins, you're putting up $2,000 margins. That's the point that I'm trying to make. Everything's a tenth of the size. So this is something that we're seeing contracts, it's exploding in my company. So whether you trade the Dow, the mini, whatever, I want you to trade it through us. We'll make a commission rate that is tuned right for you so that this works with these small size contracts. The trade is moved. Remember the mouse? It's after the cheese in a room. This is where everything has now moved in the marketplace. The amount of risk is cut down by a tenth. The profits are cut down, but you can trade more contracts too. Remember that. So I'd like to, if you open an account with us, and you can go to our website under account forms in the top right, the information section. We'll be working with you on initially $1 a side commission. Might have to go up down the road on that, but that's a $2 round turn commission to get your account going. And I will put into that a month free of my research. So open up an account. We'll honor that to get you going. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great weekend. Have yourself a great 5 days without me, and I'll see you a week from Monday. Take care.